Exaile is a cross-platform free and open-source audio player, tag editor and library organizer. It was originally conceived to be similar in style and functions to KDE's Amarok 1.4, but uses the GTK Plus widget toolkit rather than Qt. It is written in Python and utilizes the GStreamer media framework. Exaile incorporates many features from Amarok like automatic fetching of album art, handling of large libraries, lyrics fetching, last.fm support, advanced tag editing, and optional iPod and MSC device support via plugins. Compared to typical music players, Exaile is able to handle large music libraries without requiring a massive importing of all music files into its own organizational structure. To facilitate this, Exaile allows users to organize their music library in a wide variety of ways, such as by tags, group tags, smart playlists, genre, storage location, and more. In addition, Exaile supports plugins that provide features such as replaygain support, an equalizer with presets, previewing tracks via a secondary sound card, and moodbar integration.